avocado, green and nice. Avocado healthy, creamy slice. B for blueberry, juicy and small. Blackberry मीठी सबको लगे कमाल जय. C for corn, yellow and bright. मक्का है corn, healthy bite. D for dragon fruit, pink so cool. Dragon fruit खाओ healthy rule. H for eggplant, purple and long. बैंगन है eggplant, healthy and strong. F for fig, soft and nice. अंजीर fig, yummy slice. G for grape, bunches green here. अंगूर है grapes, juicy queen here. H for hazelnut, crunchy snack क्या. Hazelnut खाओ, energy pack क्या. I for iceberg lettuce, leafy green क्या. Lettuce healthy, fresh and clean ना. J for java apple, juicy fun ना. Java apple खाओ, jump and run ना. K for kiwi, fuzzy skin yeah. Kiwi फल healthy vitamins in the list. L for lemon, sour taste yeah. नींबू है lemon, no food waste ला. M for melon, big and sweet yeah. खरबूजा melon, summer treat yeah. N for nectarine, orange glow dust. Nectarine फल healthy grow us. O for orange, round and bright osh. Antara orange, vitamin light osh. P for plum, purple and small. Plum hai meetha loved by all. Q for quince, yellow shine tinta. Vince fal healthy taste, divine da. R for radish, crunchy whiteness. Muli hai radish, healthy brightness. S for strawberry, red and sweet tart. Strawberry yummy kids favorite tart. T for tomato, juicy red yeah. Tomato healthy eat with bread yeah. U for ugni, tiny berry. Ugni full tasty, very merry la. V for vanilla bean, lovely smell yeah. Vanilla khushboo, we like well yeah. W for watermelon, juicy cool gut. तरबूज watermelon, summer julpat. X for hymeneal, healthy fruit. Jymenia खाओ, healthy root. Y for yum, tasty food. Rattalu yum, very good. Z for zucchini, green and long yeah. Zucchini healthy, grow up strong. Fruits and veggies A to Z. फल और सब्जियां healthy for me. Sing and learn with happy cheer. English Hindi fun is here.